Hi everyone, Peter from Children Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making these little fairies. So you're going to need your card, wool, lollipop sticks, glue, scissors and some pens. So we're going to start by just making the wings. So you're going to fold the paper in half. And then we can just draw out some wing shapes. Maybe a bit big, always cut them down. So you've got the wing shapes that might be going behind. So next you want to get some of your wool, pick your colours. So I'm going to use the blue. So just tie it on. Sort of start halfway-ish, and then you're just going to wrap it round. And then we can start the next bit. So I'll do top of the fairy. I'll do orange. Tie that off. Right, so you don't want to do all of this, you want to leave a bit of a gap. So just tie it off. So, like that. Next, you're going to do your hair. I'll do purple for the hair. So, you're going to cut a bit off to start off with, like so. And then you're going to make a loop around your fingers. Not too tight, leave it loose. Wind it up loads. So that's the hair. Cut that off. Now you can tie it together in the middle with the bit that you cut off before. Like so. And you see in these loops, pop your scissors in and you can cut the loops. Same on the other side. You've got your hair, so now you can just glue on the hair or whatever. I'm just going to tie it on the back. Neaten up your hair as well. So now just do your wings. Pop a load of glue on. And that's just going to go on the back. There you go. You're all done.